Hoi!
Fortunate questions.
We are Chopsticks, dun 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 dun, and we answer questions.
That's right.
That's
Time
right.
for
Fortunate questions.
Man, we're good
Hey,
students.
this is when you, the readers. I keep saying you, the readers. When you, the viewers, send us in a question, and we answer it right now. So, Steve, if out of your stack of cookies, why don't you grab a question for us that we have fortunately baked into a fortune cookie.
All right. Fresh this week.
They're fresh this week.
Fresh cookies.
I like the smell
Thank
of
you again,
that.
Mr. Wong, for your fortune cookies.
That's right. Let's see what we
hope
got
you don't get the Wong question.
here. Ooh. Wow, we haven't got an East Coast question in a long time. This is from Richard.
Thanks for stepping up, Richard, from the East
Perth.
Coast. Perth?
Yeah, Perth.
Where's Perth?
Perth. It's across the bridge from, from New York.
Okay, so you're assuming it's East Coast because you don't know where.
It is. It's Perth, New Jersey.
Okay,
Sorry,
okay.
it says NJ. So I thought I made that clear, but obviously I didn't. So, but let's see what Richard wrote here.
Yes, what's Richard wrote?
It says, "What is the best way to clean my camera?"
Steel wool.
Dawn.
Dawn.
Dishwash. Throw it through the dishwasher. That always seems to do a really good job.
You know,
Is he talking about cleaning the camera or cleaning his sensor?
I don't know. Or cleaning the lens or
So let's assume he doesn't care first about a sensor. How are you going to clean your camera?
just a brush.
Or
You know what I have is microfiber
Air.
cloth.
And I love cans of air.
Yeah.
We worked at camp this year, taking a lot of pictures for a number of weeks, and we found that canned air was our best friend
It was.
of getting
It
just
was.
that heavy dirt off of there.
You know, for normal stuff, I use a microfiber towel, right? I mean, you can get them at Walmart or Target for
Yes.
dollars. Just $3 for a pack of 5.
And every year you
were
should
close.
attend WPPI and you take your camera into the manufacturer's booth and they'll clean your camera
They'll clean
for
your
you.
sensor for you.
Not your sensor, just
Oh,
your
the whole
sensor.
thing, yeah,
They'll clean the whole
the whole-
camera.
the whole
so
thing, so
so
it
that's
comes
cleaning
separate.
your camera.
Yep.
Cleaning your sensor, I do it myself.
I have done it myself.
Yeah. And I use the sensor swabs. Don't use anything but a qualified sensor swab. I guess not qualified is probably not the right word, but you need one that's actually made for your sensor, so it's the right size. It's the right.
And I would say if your sensor is not dirty, don't clean it.
Yeah.
Right? I mean, you take a risk of
right.
of damaging it.
Yeah. And I would say once a year, you need to get that thing in and get it like super clean. You let somebody who knows how to clean a camera clean your camera.
Yeah, you can't just take a Q-tip and start cleaning around in there. That doesn't work.
And even I said I do it myself. It doesn't mean I can get everything. There's just always those things where I need to take it in and have somebody who knows what they're doing.
For lenses, we've talked about it plenty of times here on the show before.
Yeah.
But it's the Zeiss lens wipes, and you can get them at Walmart, $5 for a box of 50
like
or
50
100. I
or-
can't remember if it's 50 or
yep.
100. But
If
but
you got
it's-
an optical center, they moved them into the optical
it's where,
center.
where they sell the glasses, right? Inside one of the circular hangers.
Yep.
But these things are wonderful.
They
Like they
leave
clean
no
everything,
residue.
no residue at all, and they're made by Zeiss, right? Zeiss makes glass, for cameras, and
Yep. So Richard, I find I clean my lens, and if they're still a little moist, I start cleaning the body real fast.
and I clean
before
my glasses,
Yeah,
and
and
clean
inside my
computer
ears.
screen.
Yeah, exactly.
But yeah, that was a good question, Richard. Cleaning your camera is good. We do have a little display that we can show you here of how we used to clean our cameras, and sometimes we still do.
Yeah.
Take a look.
Mark, hand me my camera. Okay, here. Mark,
Why?
the model wasn't even ready yet. What are you doing? It's okay. It's no problem. We'll just take it. That'll be fine. Oh, it's good. Yeah, it turned out fine. Oh, it worked. Yeah, perfect. Thanks.
No. Don't ever clean your camera that way. That is like the worst way to clean your camera. So that's just our disclaimer that obviously that
Yeah,
was a
please.
ruined camera
Please.
already.
Please do not send us the report that you ruined your camera. No.
Okay, like always, we ask that you like and subscribe, show us a little love, and hit that big thumbs up down below. And catch our Panoptic Chopstick show. You can find back episodes to watch, and we've got new great episodes coming up. And most of all, like always, we ask that you
Say sushi. Till next time, everybody.